5 apps that you can download literally today and start making money with just your phone. Now I've done the research for you, so you know none of these apps are the scam. I did the research. I looked all of the review. Every single one of these apps actually works. So make sure you grab your phone. I will find the nearest window and throw it out so that you can pay attention. Wait, what you are saying? They need their phone for this one because they are only using just the phone. Alright, guys, 1 times pass. You can keep your phones for this video, but only because I will be showing you exactly how to make the bunch of the money. So grab some popcorn and make sure you hold on to your phone because this is going to be a good one. Alright, ninjas and ninjatas, this is going to be very exciting. One people have been asking for it. So we went out, did all the research for you, and found the 5 best apps that you can literally start to make money today. As long as you have the phone with the internet connections. Before we actually get into this, if you are new here, first of all, welcome to the strongest family on YouTube. And if you are making money, and make sure you do 2 things: tap on the tiny little subscribe button to make sure you hit the like button as well, because it helps me to reach the more people like you who want to be financially free and start making a little bit more brand and you a little bit more Benjamins, a little bit more Muhammad Mullah, and start actually stack some of the cheese. And let's face it, there might be not be a legal way to instantly make the free cash, but this is the pretty much as close as to get some without the furnace. Let's count down from the number 5 apps all the way down the number 1 best apps. Start making some money with the number 5 field agents description themselves as the app that focused on the finding opportunities for everyday people like you to make money. Essentially, how field agent works is the deploy shoppers all over the United States and around the world, and share their options, and most importantly get paid to do so. This app is available completely for free download, and once you do download it, you will see the map, and it will show you the jobs nearly. Obviously, in the bigger cities there's going to be more jobs and more potential to actually earn money, but as long as your city isn't too small, there should be some jobs that can go ahead and do, and some of these tasks definitely can appear very random. I am not going to argue with that. Some of the tasks will ask you to go into the retail store and take the picture of the piece of the 4 foot, or can do the soup or something like that. And the reason that the companies are actually willing to pay that is they want to see how their actual products or services is being displayed in these grocery stores or retail chains or outlets, and with each job paying between the $30 to $12, and generally talking about to 10 to 15 minutes in the couple. That means that you are roughly earning about $20 just to use the field agent apps to take random pictures and to go into the stores and perform the random tasks. So if you have some free time on your hands and want to earn $20 per hour, or go into random places in the city and take photos of the random cans of soups, then the field agent app might be for you. Number 4 is the app called Folk, and I know that's the kind of the ridiculous name, but this app is actually really cool. And basically what the Folk app allows you to do is to upload the picture from your smartphone and get paid to that, because there's the thousands of the companies for all around the world that constantly need the royalty-free pictures of their products or services, right? And most companies don't want to go and to hire full-time photographer and videographer to actually take photographs of all the picture of their products out there of the world, when they can what's called crowdsourcing. And what crowdsourcing essentially means is that it gives companies the opportunity to buy awesome images of their actual products, or selling that taken by everyday people like you. And so if you're taking photos with your smartphone every day, you might as well start to get paid to those photos and you're taking. And if your company likes your photo, the company will actually buy it from you. Now, most photos are for sale for around $10, and Folk give you the 50% commissions, which is actually very generous, because they did all of the work to create the marketplace and to popularize the app to attract companies that are willing to pay you. So if you make 50% commissions on the $10 sales, that means that if the company likes the photo that you upload, it took you no potentially 10 to 30 seconds to actually set up the product, take the cool picture. Maybe you will vacation in the beautiful place and you have the Coca-Cola and with you, and you decided to take the pictures. You take 30 seconds, upload it to your Folk profile, sell it for $10 if Coca-Cola was interested in the buying it, and you would make $5 every single time once your images is bought. And like anything, you will get better at doing this. Maybe when you're the first starting, you're not going to take the best picture, but if you are already like photography, are they already taking the pictures with your phone, this is a great way to start earning some side incomes. Again, just using your phone. Number 3 is the Google Options Reward apps, and as you can see, the Google Options Reward apps has over the million chosen to the 5 stars reviews. And you know that anything developed by the Google is going to be 100% right. Google Opens Rewards was literally as a survey mobile app for the Android, was developed by the Google, and the app allows users to answer the surveys and earn rewards. On Android and on iOS, it allows users to answer the surveys to actually get paid directly to their PayPal. And do not many people actually know that Google has the rewards programs where you can go and ahead and download the free app, answer a few basic questions, and you will get paid for voicing your opinions, because the things is your option and your feedback incredibly valuable to Google. And the Google, like many large companies, is willing to pay you for it to improve their user experience and to improve their products. Number 2 apps is called Dosh. Now, Dosh recently raised $44 million in the investors' money, because they are obviously doing something that people are interested in, something that making them money, but more importantly, making humans. Basically, how Dosh works is you make money and you get cash back to spend money you don't most likely already be spending in the regular and the hottest and literally thousands of the companies, and provides that Doge has the partner with but even more, so that just earning cash back to go to eat at your favorite restaurants or go to your favorite hotels, You can also make money with the Dosh using their affiliate program. Every time that you actually sign up and add the new payment method to your own app, you actually get $1 sign up free, and you can also get $5 referral fee or signing other people up to the Dosh apps. So maybe you have the following on the social media. Maybe you could post about it on your own Facebook or Instagram. Could even make the YouTube videos talking about what Dosh is. Get the phone actually sign up though your own link, or you can just download the Apple hook up. One of the payment methods, and just use the app to earn the free cashback. Go into your favorite restaurants or hotels and consistently adding the new components and the new features, new ways to earn cash back for you, which means the sooner that you sign up, the better you will get. And either the more cashback, referrals, fees, and the sign-up bonuses you could potentially earn. And the number one way to make money with no pre-existing skills and no money get started using just your cell phone. We will get you into that 1 second, but I do really give big shout out to the daily comment winner, who is Monday Angel, who says this is the real deal for you. Want to sum to the beliefs in you, and you will say with your thought the whole journey is getting important thing is you have to the start now. Now go, and I could not agree more with Monday. I'm the pretty awesome. I'm just kidding, but you do have to get started if you actually want to make money doing any of this. It's not just a video, it's not even my other videos. People get tripped up focusing on the one thing that then the text thinks, and the next things really struggling with what I like to call shiny object syndrome. My advice to you is make sure you pick an online money making strategy that you are actually going to have fun doing, and that you are willing to do until you make it work. Don't constantly be bounced from the one thing to the next, because it happens when you don't do any of them well. You don't do any of them further, which means you don't actually make any money from them. Also, maybe you want to focus on the Amazon, then just focus on the Amazon. Maybe you want to focus on SMMA, create a market agency as just do that. Maybe you want to focus on the drop shipping, or the creating the digital courses, or the creating the YouTube, but the moral of the story is to start now. Do your research beforehand, and then stick with the things until you make it work. Don't constantly hop between things, because you will never make any of them work. And without further ado, the number one app to make money just using your phone is called TaskRabbit. Now, TaskRabbit is an American online and mobile marketplace that matches the freelancer or webber of the worker demand, allowing customers to find immediate help with the everyday tasks like the cleaning, moving, or delivering work. And the cool thing about the TaskRabbit is you don't need to do any pre-existing skills to help someone move a few moving boxes, or to clean something, and TaskRabbit employers can make a significant wage. I actually hire people of the TaskRabbit myself to help me move some of my furniture, and I was paying them $50 per hour to actually help me move some of my choices, and to help me move a few boxes from the one house to one of my other houses. And so if you're capable to actually pick up the box and moving it to you're capable of the cleaning things, or you actually enjoy doing what type of the stuff you can earn $40 or even $50 on hour, and to do very basic tasks, and you can do it entirely from your cell phone. So don't be like 90%, 99% of the people that never do anything. Be 1% that actually try something to these things until it works for you. And if you are going to do it, to leave it below this is make money, or to prove that to me that you are actually going to do these things until it works. And if you're looking to the better way, to the escapable way to earn the full-time income, check this video right here where I teach you how to make $1,000 every single week, even if you have no job and no money to start. Is going to be the good one. See you there. Yeah, what does you want to learn how to make $1,000 per week with no job? Even better yet.